back to the Voice News. I am Palak with you. Corona updates. 2.11 lakh new corona cases were reported in the country in 24 hours. 3,847 infected people died due to coronavirus cases. In India, 27 May. India is still reeling from the second wave of corona epidemic. More than 40% of the world's corona cases are being filed in India every day. Every third death in the world is happening in India. New Delhi. India is grappling with the second wave of corona infection in a tremendous way. Although statistics are showing that the outbreak of infection has reduced already, but the orgy of death has not stopped. According to the latest data of the Health Ministry, 211,298 new corona cases have come in the last 24 hours, and the 3,847 infected people have lost their lives. At the same time, 283,135 people have also recovered from corona. That is 75,684 active cases were reduced on the previous day. Earlier on Tuesday, 208,921 lakh new cases were registered and 4,157 infected people have died. Till 26 May, 20 crore 26,95,874 corona vaccine doses have been given across the country. On the previous day, 85,805 vaccines were installed. At the same time, more than 33 crore 70 lakh corona tests have done. Around 22 lakh corona sample tests were conducted on the previous day, whose positivity rate is more than 9%. Corona's latest update in the country. Total corona cases, 2 crore 73 lakh 69,000. Total discharge, 2 crore 46 lakh 33,951. Total active cases, 24 lakh 19,907. Total death, 3 lakh 15,235. The death rate of corona in the country is 1.15%, while recovery the rate is more than 89%. Active cases have come down to less than 10%. The second wave of corona is the active case. India also ranks second in the term of total numbers of infected people, while India has the highest number of deaths in the world after America and Brazil. Science journal Lancet gave 8 suggestions to the center and the states on corona. A group of experts of the Science journal Lancet has sent 8 suggestions to the center and the state government to deal effectively with corona and prevent death. The Science journal Lancet has advised the Modi government to create a central system for the purchase and the selling and the distributions of vaccine. In an article published in the British medical journal Lancet, experts have recommended that the central and the state government to take immediate actions, and the steps the 8 recommendations also includes a transparent price policy by the state government and the measures for the cash transfer for workers working in the informal sector. There are also suggestions to end the current policy of purchase and free distributions of vaccine, decentralizations, procurement through state government. If you're watching on Facebook, then follow this page. If you're watching on YouTube, then like, subscribe and share. And don't forget to press bell icon. Thank you.